Now lady is going to rotate and we're going into the dip. Let's start with the lady's perspective. Rotate counterclockwise, taking 4 steps. Start with the left leg. And left, right, left, right. End up facing the man. And place your hands on his shoulders. Rotate more to end up with your right side to the man. And getting into the dip, keep your body weight on your right leg, bend your right knee, left leg is straight and in front of yourself, then direct your hips up and tilt your upper body backward. Lead your left hand to the side, follow it with your gaze. It's very important not to pull the man with you, try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Now the man's perspective, first of all, focus on leading the lady in front of yourself. You do this by gently pulling the lady in front of yourself, then drawing a shape of a circle in the air with your palm to initiate her spin. At the same time, and it's very important, you need to shift your body weight to your right leg. Thanks to this, you're close to each other. You're placing your hands around the lady's waist. As she takes her final step with the right leg, you're going to go back to the left leg with your body weight. Your hands are on her back. And now the most important thing, do not lean over the lady. Just bend your left knee, straighten your arms, but keep your back straight. It is very important because that creates a counterweight for the lady. 7, 8, 1, 2,